Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. Okay, so in the Windows search bar right here, you need to type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in the block window, you need to type this command sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations, which is a very useful fix. Now while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. And once this is 100% completed, then just simply close out of here. Then you have to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. For the next method, type CMD again. Click on run as administrator. Now here type this command DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. So this will repair your. Okay, let me type in again the command because I have this is just restore health. I didn't put the S in it. So let me just close this and then launch CMD again. Okay, sorry for that. Now here, let me again type the command. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Okay, so it's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. So this will repair your Windows image. And while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize this but do not close the window. So once the process has been completed, then you can just simply close. But here's a tip: if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage, you can just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard. And once that is done, once that is successful, close this. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on the system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery. Click on reset PC. But here's a thing: before you can go on with this method, make sure to back up everything. Make sure to back up all your files, data, apps, and settings. Click on remove everything. And here you have to click on cloud download and this will reset your PC. And after that, you have to sign in again into your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.